Welcome back to the publication of Trachoma Survey Data Workshop, run by Tropical Data at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. This is Session 4, Part B, Figures for Publication. Before we get started, we would like to sincerely thank all of our partners involved in the running of Tropical Data. We would also like to thank everyone involved in the creation of this workshop, which was run in collaboration with the Ethiopian Health Ministry and funded by RTI International and the Fred Hollows Foundation. We are still at the fourth stage of writing the manuscript, the results section. This part of the session will focus on how to create clear figures that graphically summarize your data. In this slide, we show a table that may not be too useful in the manuscript, but it will be useful for drawing a plot of change over time. These slides demonstrate how to populate the table with the relevant percentage change data and how this could be done for multiple districts and multiple rounds of MDA. As you can see here, we have 3 districts, all with different TF prevalences during the baseline, impact, and surveillance surveys. Copy the data into a blank spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, you should make the data vertical. Then, you should order it by district. Following this, you would create a blank scatter chart with lines. You would add the data by series. To do this, right-click on the black chart and click Select Data. Finally, add axis labels and a legend to your graph. A common issue that may come up is when data collected before the tropical data surveys that you are describing in the current paper may have covered larger areas relative to the EUs used with tropical data. This diagram shows how, when a district is split into smaller EUs, different TF prevalences can lead to different numbers of MDA rounds. For example, the district is surveyed as a whole at baseline and has 1 value for TF prevalence. Post 3 annual MDA rounds, the district is separated into 3 EUs and resurveyed. These would be impact surveys. Different TF values for each EU at survey mean different numbers of treatment rounds subsequently needed. In areas where a single pre-MDA EU was broken down into multiple EUs for post-MDA surveys, for the purposes of visualization, you can create a table similar to the one shown here. As you can see, the pre-MDA data spans all 3 subsequent districts, indicating that for this area as a whole, the TF prevalence was 10%. However, it is important to remember that prevalence estimates generated for an area covering multiple districts are not estimates that are valid for each individual district within that area for the purposes of drawing conclusions about whether or not interventions worked. This is a slightly complicated concept epidemiologically. This is the end of Part 2 of the results section. Click on the next video to see Part 3, 4C, Writing the Results. Thank you.